guys, this is Dr. Giant Squid, and I'll be teaching you today how to repair a Syma 107g helicopter. So you can see here this part is snapped out. So I'm just gonna I have my tiny screwdriver with me, and so I have a old helicopter, and I'll just be unscrewing this and putting it on. So you just unscrew one of these unbroken types, and let's just say this one right here, and then you slide it out like that, so it's off now, and then you unscrew the broken one right here. Once that is unscrewed, you see that just pops right out like that. Then you get the screw, don't want to drop it, and you put it in this way. Yeah, that way. It's kind of hard. Yeah. And then you put it on, so see that little bump there? You put it on so it's like that, and then it lines up perfectly. Put it on its side. It's kind of hard to see, sorry guys. And then you can screw it in. Make sure it doesn't fall off though. Okay, like that. And well, once it's screwed in, basically, I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but then once it's screwed in, you just get the metal post and slip it in, and so then it will screw in. So I usually do it first, so I slip in the metal post here, and then once that's in, it's easier to screw it in. So then you do that, and then once that's in, whoops, sorry about that. Once that's in, then you start screwing it in. Okay, see, screwing that in now. And yeah, so now it's all fixed, just like that, and let's turn it on and see if it works. It works really well. So that is how to repair a Syma s107g helicopter. The link will be down in the description below on Amazon where to buy this. Bye!